Hello, my name is Philipp Reutter. Today I want to give you a small look behind the scenes, to show you what we at Reutter Porcelain can do for you. Basically, we are producing porcelain just the same way as every other porcelain is produced. The special part of this is that we are not handling big tableware pieces. No, we do this miniaturized in scale, 1 to 12. This is only possible with our experience and expertise in material handling. Of course, it cannot stay just white. Now we need some color. Precision and skilled hands are needed to put real 24-karat gold rims on these tiny pieces. After painting, we have to fire another time to bring the gold to its natural shine. Additionally, we apply especially printed high-temperature decals. This working step needs a long time of learning, as no cracks or bubbles are allowed to remain, because the last firing process comes next. Now we're putting these little masterpieces together in miniature creation. For this, we are using more than 5,000 different individual pieces in up to 8 different materials. Of course, the porcelain pieces are the most important items and reach from a small salt shaker up to bathtubs. Wood is used for furniture such as chairs and tables, cabinets, as well as kitchen tools and sewing baskets. Metal we use for cooking pots and ladles or even garden furniture. Of course, it is absolutely necessary to have fruits, vegetables, breads and cakes. All of these items are made of fine poly resin or other special elastic materials. Special printed paper is mostly used for newspapers, gift boxes and other cartons. Textile materials are used for blankets and pillows, clothes and hats, and also for napkins. Our bottles and glasses are often made out of real mouth-blown glass, and some of them, like wine bottles, are even filled with real wine. It is absolutely necessary to be extremely concentrated and have a very fine feeling for miniatures to be able to put this designer piece together. With lots of passion, all these items are arranged together. Carefully packed, our little timeout will safely find the way to you.